Deep within the pressurized hull of the world's deepest oceans, the sperm whale operates as a biological submersible of unparalleled capability. It is a masterpiece of acoustic and pressure engineering, designed to descend into the zone where the weight of the water would crush a human submarine. The machine facts of the whale reveal the spermaceti organ, a massive tank of liquid wax located in its head. By regulating blood flow to this organ, the whale can change the wax's temperature. Cooling it makes the wax denser, allowing the whale to sink like a stone without swimming. This engineering solution is a form of variable buoyancy. When the whale is ready to ascend, it pumps warm blood back into the organ, melting the wax and making the whale more buoyant. It is a biological ballast system that saves immense amounts of energy during deep-sea dives. The whale also functions as a long-range acoustic cannon. It uses its head to focus sound waves into a beam so powerful it can stun giant squid from a distance. These clicks are the loudest sounds produced by any animal, reaching up to 230 decibels under the water. Diagram of a sperm whale generating a focused sonar beam to hunt in the deep sea. Psychological facts show that these whales are highly social processors. They communicate using complex rhythmic patterns called codas. Much like a digital handshake, these clicks allow different clans to identify each other across vast, lightless stretches of the ocean. Humans must treat and care for the silent highways of the deep. Acoustic pollution from shipping and sonar acts like system interference, jamming the whale's navigation. Stewardship of the soundscape is vital for the survival of these deep-sea communications. The history of the sperm whale is a record of pressure testing. Their rib cages are flexible and collapsible, allowing their lungs to fold flat as the pressure increases. This prevents the chassis from fracturing under the thousands of pounds of force found at great depths. Nature facts reveal that their blood is a high-capacity oxygen battery. They have exceptionally high levels of myoglobin, a protein that stores oxygen in the muscles. This allows the machine to remain unplugged from the surface for over 90 minutes during a hunt. Caring for the whale is a form of planetary nutrient maintenance. By diving deep and returning to the surface to breathe, they act as a biological pump, bringing nutrients from the abyss up to the surface. This fertilizes the plankton that produces half of our oxygen. The machine facts of their skin show is exceptionally thick, up to 14 inches in some places. This armored plating protects the whale during high-speed battles with giant squid. It is a high-durability material designed to withstand suction and deep-sea mechanical wear. Engineering comparisons often liken the sperm whale to a long-range sonar station. It can see through miles of dark water using sound alone, creating a 3D map of its environment in real time. It is the gold standard for underwater sensory and mapping technology. Every dive is a lesson in internal regulation. We often fight against our environment, but the whale proves that by adjusting your internal state, like the temperature of your wax, you can move through extreme pressure with ease. It is a reminder that balance comes from within. Every ocean trench is a laboratory of fluid dynamics. By respecting the quiet work of these Leviathan machines, we recognize the labor involved in deep-sea equilibrium. It is a partnership between the pressure, the sound, and the wax that allows the whale to navigate. Let the sperm whale remind you of the value of depth. You don't always need to stay on the surface where things are easy. Sometimes, the greatest rewards are found in the dark, high-pressure places that others are afraid to go. Mastery of life is about diving deep. Take care of the liquid hardware of our blue planet. As we look toward the marine conservation goals of 2026, protecting the habitats of these acoustic engineers is a top priority. Respect the deep and protect the silence, so the song of the whale may continue to echo.